Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making the handkerchief skirt you can see on the screen. So this skirt has been trending for a very long time and I haven't had any, so I thought I'll make one for myself and then record the process so you can see how it's being made. So let's get right into it. This is the fabric I'm going to be using, and I'm going to get my measuring tape. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my waist circumference, which is 38 inches, divided by 6.28, which is the standard for measuring the radius. So 38 divided by 6.28 is 6.01. So I'm going to measure that on this edge. So you can see the edge that is folded. So this is folded and this is folded. So I'm going to be measuring that on this edge. So I'll get my measuring tape. I will find where 6 is. I'll put the measuring tape on it and then start going around. And I'm going to be marking that with my chalk. Okay, so now that is measured, I don't know if you can see the line. I'm going to cut out this. Now I'm going to cut out the circumference. Okay, so now that we've measured this side, so I've got this as 17.5 inches, and that includes the hemming allowance. I'm going to come over to the side. I would measure 17 inches as well, and I would start to mark it. I just wasted all this. And then I'll connect the lines like so. So this is going to be the skirt's measurement. So I'll start to cut this out. Okay, so by the time I open it up, it's going to look something like this. So this is what it looks like now. So what I'm going to do now is I will open one side of the skirt. So whichever side I want to be the back of the skirt, I'm going to open that up, and then I would attach my zipper. Okay, so I want this middle side to be center back, so I would notch it just so I know where the center back is. Do it like this. And then from this place I've notched, I'll take it all the way down. So now that I've done the center back, I have also done the waistband for this skirt. So this is the waistband, and I've also put interface on it, as you can see. So what I'll do is I'll take this to the sewing machine and fix the waistband all the way around on this skirt like this. So I'll put the first part in, sew it down, and then put the second part in and sew it down. I also plan to put pockets on this skirt, but I'll fix the waistband and I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so now the handkerchief skirt has been made. So the longest bits of the skirt is this bit, and then this is the shorter side of the skirt. So that's what it looks like. So I've put the waistband on. I would chop off the excess. So my waist circumference is 38 inches. I would measure 38 inches here, and I would mark it, and I would sew it. Because I'm going to be putting a zipper on it, I would sew it all the way down just to close it up, but then I would also stop where I want the zipper to stop. I made a video on how to make a zipper on this channel, so I'll sew it and stitch this up. I would also hem the bottom. I would put a zipper on it, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I fixed the zipper for the skirt, and this is what it looks like. So this is the front piece, this is the back piece, this is the skirt zipper, and this was what it looks like. I was going to put a pocket for this, but I would leave it till the next one I'm doing. So I'm just going to take this to the right side, And as you can see, the handkerchief skirt is coming out nicely. So that's the back piece, that is the front. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to hem all the sides of the skirt. So I'll hem it like this way. Because this fabric doesn't fray, I would do one or two hemmings depending on how you want to do it. If it's a fabric that's frays, you can decide it to fold it twice, or you can overlock it and then fold it once. However you want to hem it, that's totally up to you. So I'm gonna go hem this and then come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so the skirt is done now and it's all nicely made. I'm going to try it on now so you can see what the skirt looks like. And this is such an easy project to do. If you're not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye.